So here it is. Here's the house. You can see it's got a view, which makes everything worth it. My mom sent me these photos recently of when we lived here before. And you can see the neat linoleum, the wallpaper that they put up. But since then, it's had about 30 years worth of wear and tear on the house. Not much upkeep happened, especially the last 10, 15 years, because my dad was sick and unable to take care of it the way that he wanted to. So you can see lots of work needed to be done that didn't get done. And I'll take you inside and show you what's going on. And I mean, this is the reason I don't want to move in, besides the electrical being a literal fire hazard. And all the appliances are either missing or broken. Doesn't work. There it is. There's the house. You can see there's a lot that needs to be done. What you can't see is that the plumbing, electrical, and mechanical all have to be replaced. There's no insulation and no heat. Fireplace is cracked. Windows don't close. Gutters, you saw, don't work. The list goes on, but for some silly reason, I think it's doable and worth it, even though I have no skill and a modest budget. But I've always enjoyed this kind of thing, and I'm really looking forward to trying my hand at it. This place is really neat. It's unique. There's a lot of potential. I'm very much looking forward to it being done and sharing it with friends and family. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy as much as I can all these little projects. And if I can, I'm going to try to remember to keep recording, because I know this will be cool to look back on and share. And I'm glad you, whoever you are interested, at least at this point. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'll see you on the next video.